If you are a British pensioner, or you know one, the next few minutes could be worth thousands of pounds. This June, 5 major changes have either just happened or are happening right now. And most people have not been told about any of them. Some of these involve money that people are already owed but have never been told. They Can Claim. 1 is a brand new free service that only just launched with a limited number of places available. We are covering all 5 today, what they are, who is affected, and exactly what to do. Number 1. A change in the law around bereavement payments that most families still do not know about. The Bereavement Support Payment is a tax-free payment from the DWP to help people who have lost a partner. At the higher rate, it is a lump sum of £3,500, followed by £350 a month for 18 months. That adds up to nearly £10,000 in total. For years, this payment was only for people who were legally married or in a civil partnership. But if you had been living together for years, raising children together, and never formally married, you were not entitled to anything. That law has now changed. If you were living with your partner when they died and you have a child together, you may now be entitled to claim, even if you were never married. And this is not only for recent losses. If your partner died before the law changed, you can still make a claim right now. Citizens Advice can help you understand whether this applies to your situation. Their number is 800 100 and 44 8848. Number 2. A completely free service that launched this week and is already helping pensioners find thousands of pounds a year they did not know they were owed. It is called Benefits Boost, and it launched just days ago through Iceland Foods and the Rossi Foundation. You ring one number. A specialist advisor goes through your personal circumstances in detail. They work out everything you are entitled to that you're not currently receiving, and they guide you through the full application process. You do not need to have done any research beforehand. That is exactly what the service is there for. Government figures show only 62% of pensioners entitled to pension credit are actually receiving it. Across all pensioner benefits combined, more than £5 billion goes unclaimed every single year. Pensioners who have already used this service have seen an average annual income increase of around £5,000. The number to ring is 3,000, 300, 532,617. It is free. There are around 7,500 places available and they will not last long. Number 3, the triple lock, and why your national insurance record matters more right now than it ever has. In April 2026, the full new state pension rose by 4.8% to £241.30 a week. The April 2027 figure has not been confirmed yet, but inflation forecasters are warning it could rise sharply toward the end of this year. If inflation is running at 3% or above by September, the triple lock will deliver another meaningful increase next April. But every triple lock increase is applied to your base weekly pension amount, and that base is set entirely by your national insurance record. If your record has gaps or years where incorrect figures were submitted, your base is permanently lower than it should be. Every future increase, including 2027, is calculated on that lower base forever. Check your national insurance record through your personal tax account at gov.uk. If there are gaps, ring the Future Pension Centre on 800 700 and 31 175 before paying anything. They will confirm whether filling a gap will increase your payment. Number 4. The DWP changed the rules on PIP reviews this week, and it is genuinely good news. From the 2nd of June 2026, the minimum time between PIP reviews has been extended to 3 years for most claimants aged 25 and over. At the next review after that, the gap rises to 5 years. PIP is received by around 3.9 million people in England and Wales. Under the old system, many claimants with permanent conditions faced full reassessments every 9 months. For people with conditions like Parkinson's, MS, or severe heart disease, conditions that are not going to improve, that cycle was exhausting and deeply distressing. That pressure has now been significantly reduced. Important, if your condition has worsened since your last assessment, you do not need to wait for the next scheduled review. You can request a change of circumstances. Review yourself at any time by ringing 800 121 4000 433. Number 5. Pension credit and housing benefit are being merged, and right now is the time to make sure you have claimed both. The DWP has confirmed both payments will be brought together into a single combined benefit at some point in 2026. For most people, this will eventually be simpler. But right now there is a window you should not miss. Around 120,000 pensioners are currently getting housing benefit, but not pension credit, even though most people entitled to one are entitled to the other. And around 880,000 pensioners who qualify for pension credit are not claiming it at all. Once the merger happens, the application process will change. Nobody yet knows exactly what that will look like. The safest position to be in is to have claimed both benefits before the merger takes place. If you receive pension credit but have never claimed a housing benefit, contact your local council today. If you receive housing benefit but have never applied for pension credit, ring the pension credit claim line today on 899 1234. Housing benefit can be backdated by up to 3 months once pension credit is awarded. So applying now costs you nothing and could be worth a significant amount. Here is where things stand this June. The bereavement payment law change means some families who were previously turned away may now be owed money. Citizens' advice on 800 144 8000 848 can help you check. The Benefits Boost service launched this week is completely free and could add £5,000 a year to your income. Ring 3,000, 300, 500 and 32,617 now, while places remain. Check your national insurance record now at gov.uk so that any future triple lock increase lands at the right level for you. The DWP extended PIP review periods from 9 months to 3 years this week. If your condition has worsened, you can still request a review yourself at any time. Pension credits and housing benefit are merging this year. Make sure you have claimed both now, before the transition happens. Share this with any pensioner you know, and subscribe so you do not miss the next update, because the rules keep changing and the government does not send personal reminders.